The fire is actually going. Okay, we are now going to go to Sir and Keith's house to set off some fireworks. It's a crappy door. Okay, see ya. I'm so ready.
And we got this too.
What are these?
Missiles.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Yeah. I cannot wait.
Casey, hey CJ, look
These
at
are
this.
gonna endanger so many lives.
Look at this. You're gonna love this one.
Oh my
Super
god!
Death car. Super Death Cat for Cutie.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, I feel like we're in like some kind of like Osama bin Laden home video thing. This is all the weapons that we have for you. Roar.
And we have random sticks just for you.
Oh wait, is this the ones that are these like the effective ones?
Baby. Oh god.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Yeah.
Wait, go to the other side. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Whoa! Yeah! Hit that bitch! Oh, suck that shit!
That was really bad recording.
Watch out! Oh shit!
Dumbass! It's an asshole! Oh, fuck! Go.
This
Awesome.
is prototype death car.
Okay. Hold on, let's just wait for the flame to travel. There you go!
Oh god.
Is that it? Shit, back up. Oh my god.
Oh,
I didn't go too far. Okay, hopefully my reflex will be good enough for this. Fucking assholes! Okay, let that one up. Oh! Okay, we are now. You can look at my face right now, but we're gonna take out more fireworks. It's nighttime.
Oh,
shit.
This thing goes crazy. I forgot how loud that was. Okay, where's the other ones?
I only brought one.
Let me see.
No,
Oh, Ace is late. Oh, that was cool. That was sick.
I want to see Robert Pattinson try to do an American accent. Hold on. Okay, got it.
Oh, mine's ready.
Shit, forgot the tip.
shit! Ow!
She doesn't have a penis, okay?